In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and secure a course page on your Squarespace website, whether you're sharing your expertise, teaching a new skill, or expanding your business offerings. This process is straightforward and customizable to fit your needs. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and open your website. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see a list of options. Click on the one labeled Pages. This is where you manage all the different sections of your website, from your home page to any additional content you want to offer. Now, look under Main Navigation if you would like your course page to appear in your website's main menu. If you'd prefer the page to remain hidden from the main navigation, look under Not Linked. Either way, click the small plus button next to the section where you want your new page. From the menu that appears, select Page and then opt for a blank page. This gives you a clean slate to build your course upon. You'll want to rename the newly created page to something fitting like My Course. This is important because it helps with organization and ensures that site visitors know exactly what to click on when they reach your site. Once you have your page set up, click on it to open and then click Edit. This is where the fun begins. You can add all sorts of content that make up your course. Text like lessons and instructions, videos to visually engage your students, downloadable files for more detailed study, images to complement your text, or even embed content from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo for additional resources. For those offering a course with multiple sections or learning modules, you can add subpages to better organize your content. Simply return to Pages and select Add Subpage under your course page, allowing your learners to navigate through the material easily. Once your content is fleshed out, it's crucial to control who can see it. To password protect your page, go back to the Pages panel and hover over your newly created course page. You'll see a gear icon appear. Click on this to open the settings for that page. In the Settings panel, navigate to the General tab, and here you'll find the Password option. Enter your chosen password, then make sure to hit Save. This ensures that only those with the correct credentials can access the course, adding a valuable layer of privacy and security. And that's it! You've successfully set up a course page and secured it on your Squarespace website. Whether you're offering professional training or a hobbyist class, this method provides a user-friendly way to share your knowledge while maintaining control over who has access. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful as you expand your online offerings.